Hey guys, today in this IT Works tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install HyperV Manager on your Windows 10 operating system. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing we have to do is to go down to the bottom left corner and click on this search bar. Now what we need to type in is system information. So just type that in and then it will bring up this option at the top. It says system information. Just click on that. So this will bring up a whole bunch of information about the computer and its hardware. And what we're looking for is the bottom section of all this information. There's all these Hyper-V selections and options here. So what we're looking for mainly is this virtualization enabled in firmware. So this is basically just a feature that allows your computer to be able to run virtual machines. So as you can see, mine is actually not enabled. That's why it says no. So if yours is the same as mine, what we have to do is we have to go into the BIOS and we have to enable this virtualization technology feature. So the way we do this is we close the window, and what we do is we go down to the bottom left corner and click on the Windows Start button. So just click on that. Then you go down to this little settings button, you click that as well. And it's going to bring up all these different setting options for your computer. And what we're looking for is this update and security. So just click on that. And on the left hand side, we want to click recovery, and then it'll bring up these different features for your computer to restart in more advanced modes. But the one we're looking for is this advanced startup mode. So we're going to click this restart now button, and this will restart your computer, and then I'll show you the steps after this. So now that our computer's restarted, we'll go back into system information and we'll just confirm that it says yes. As you can see, it does. So virtualization enabled in firmware says yes. So that means that enabled feature that we just did previously worked perfectly fine. So what we can do now is we're ready to install our Hyper-V. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down to the bottom left corner and we're going to right click on the Windows Start button. So right click that. And then we're going to go up to the very top and click Apps and Features. And that'll open up this Apps and Features page. And what we're looking for is on the very right hand side. It says Programs and Features. We're going to click on that. And then on the left hand side this time, it says Turn Windows Features on or off. And we're going to click that. And that'll open up this little window. And what we're looking for is down here at the bottom where it says Hyper-V. So what we're going to do is we're going to tick that box. And we're also just going to expand these other boxes related to the Hyper-V stuff and just confirm that they're all selected. And if for whatever reason this Hyper-V hypervisor is not selected, it probably means that the previous feature that we enabled for the virtualization technology didn't work properly. So just maybe go over the previous steps and just repeat it and restart your computer, and hopefully you'll be able to select all these options. Now if you're like mine and all of them are selected, just click OK. And then it's going to go and install all those folders for us. Yeah, so our computer's going to want to restart. So just click Restart now, and then I'll show you afterwards what's happened. So now that our computer's restarted, we should have Hyper-V on our computer. So if we go down to the bottom left corner, and we just search for HyperV Manager. So if you type that in, Hyper-V, as you can see, it's already come up, HyperV Manager. So we're going to select that. And as you can see, it's opened up this Hyper-V Managers page. So this means everything worked perfectly fine. Everything's installed. And now we should be able to create virtual machines. As you can see here, new virtual machine. And I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them in the comments below and I'll try and answer those as quickly as possible. And thank you for watching, and please give it a thumbs up if it helped you, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.